everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And again, this is Siddharthi Vaidya, and I'm pretty sure my viewers, my subscribers is definitely fit and fine. Now today in this video we're going to talk about how to replace sorry with thank you. Okay, so without wasting time, let's wind the main topic. Instead of saying sorry for being late, you could say thank you for your patience. Instead of say sorry for all the question, you could say thank you for your guidance. Instead of say sorry for the mess, you could say thank you for your tolerance. Instead of saying sorry I can't make it, you could say thank you for invitation. I appreciate your understanding. Instead of saying sorry to keep waiting, you could say thank you for the waiting. Instead of saying sorry I forget it, you could say thank you for reminding me. Instead of saying sorry I broke your essay, you could say thank you for forgiving me. And friend, if you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe also, and share with your family and friend. Okay, and we will meet soon.